Saban bam iti. Welcome you.
You set me free. When I thought it was impossible, 'cause I'm full of the focus before.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is.
Morning you guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. To my returning subscribers, a very warm welcome to you guys. And if you are new to this channel, please do hit that subscribe button to be part of this family. Guys, today's a Friday. It is a Friday morning. The time is 6:20. We are off, myself and the kids. I took my helper with. We are off to East London. Yeah, we are going there for the weekend. We would be back on Monday. So we are currently at Wimpy right now. We're just grabbing something to eat, a quick breakfast with the kids and auntie, and then we'll board soon. So I just thought, let me just quickly open this video right here right now, because it's gonna be a busy, messy weekend, guys. We are going home. I'm going home. We're going to attend Umcimbi to my dad. She went on Umcimbi, guys, so we're going to that. I really hope you guys enjoy this video.
Can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Morning, you guys. Welcome to a new day of this vlog. Today is a Saturday. We just arrived in Umcimbi, Umcimbini. We are at my we're at my grandfather's house where my father grew up in Umcimbi. So today is the day of Umcimbi. So I will be taking you guys with me. I'm wearing this dress. I will show you guys what I'm wearing just now. So yeah, guys, let's go. I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together, get it Funnies. Guys, so busy. We're buying meat. We are buying meat on the floor. So let me just show you guys. Guys, here's the end result of my meat. Guys, meet my brothers. Say hi to my channel. That one is sleeping there. And you guys know my son, Junior. Manda ben, guys. Alright, sure. Guys, I'm on big sister duty. It's cheese boys. Dia pikale. Dia. Kabuli saban bam iti. Welcome.
Welcome you. Come you guys. Really nice to meet you.
Hayi ke khathi ngizokufunela la. Ndiyabona babulise kamandi kanjani abantu bam. Morning you guys. Wow guys, today is a Sunday. We just woke up, guys. We're so tired. Bekumnandi izolo. We ate stile inyama, guys. We ate meat. Bekumnandi. It was really a good time. Spent time with family. Haven't seen a lot of people from my dad's side of the family in a while, so that was good. And the kids as well. It was their first time going to the rurals. They were ezilalini, guys. So especially my daughter, she was so fascinated seeing the cows, seeing sheep, seeing goats, and all of that. So it was a lovely experience for them as well. So guys, today is a Sunday. I just woke up. I want to make porridge quickly and get my day started. So I just want to come up here and let you guys know that we are back. We are back home in East London. We came back very late last night after 12 because we didn't sleep that side. So yeah guys, happy Sunday. I'm tired, my eyes. Happy Sunday you guys.
do I require? More, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby.
Porridge is ready.
Me, yeah, I get what's mine. That's from mine. Be my ride.
Oh, sure, man.
Guys, thanks. Guys, we're at the beach. We should come to the beach quickly before we leave tomorrow. So, yes, we're leaving tomorrow. Guys, that's Mayo. Say hey. Say please subscribe. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. Tell them. Subscribe to my channel. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys just now. Oh, I'll be with you guys just now. Let's get going. Masam and Kupa, guys. Let's go swim.
I don't have a swimming costume.
Guys, the weather, it's so beautiful. It's not too hot. It's not cold. Yeah, man. Because I was a bit worried because earlier on it was gloomy, there was no sun, you know, and being at it's gonna rain. So now it's beautiful. The weather is nice.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want. Everything you want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. And I know everything will be alright. Wanna go now. Take me to your paradise. Yeah. You are all I need. All I need now. Yeah. It's crazy, but it's true. Crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You are all I need now. You're all I need. It's crazy, but it's true. Oh, yeah.
Hi, but happening, Johnny? Kasi menu ever. Thanks. So now we must pass it ready, ba? Sure. Okay, guys. Hey, what's large pizzas?
Corn chicken.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Creamy
Barbecue
egg.
chicken. I'm a
chicken. Hey,
Barbecue chicken. Hey.
Baba. Okay, guys, hey, imnandi barbecue chicken.
Nice.
Yes.
Corn and a mushroom.
You can name.
Chicken and mayo. Yeah, let's have it.
But right. Full
So
of
we'll
fruit.
have barbecue chicken and club. Then we want ice cream. Okay. Can I have cones ne for our soft serve? So it's gonna be vanilla inside
Vanilla inside.
and then chocolate dip. When alright? Often deep most. Okay. Mna
I'm original.
sifuna caramel.
Caramel deep.
Auntie, unyaka thing.
Yeah, deep. Like it.
Unyaka ya chocolate or ya caramel. Yona it deep way. So 2 caramel dips, 1 chocolate dip.
Caramel deep.
So 2 vanillas, 2 caramel dip, 1 any chocolate. Yes, it dips. 2 kiddies regulars. That's it.
Thank you very much.
And gossip. Thanks. How long will our order take?
Pizza, a copy is roughly 15 minutes.
Okay.
Each one, then the ice cream is good.
Perfect. Thank you. Hey you guys, we have come to the end of this vlog, you guys. We are at the airport right now in East London. We are on our way to Johannesburg. We had such a lovely time back home, so I just thought, let me come up here and close this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and comment. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.